Hi guys, so it's one of the Sparkle Girls, and today we're going to be making a kit that came with the Death Star kit that my dad and me got. You guys will be seeing it later on in the video, because right now we're working on the Death Star 11 battle. This is what it looks like. I can show you it. And then without the words, with pictures, it will just look like this. So I've already started it, and you guys are gonna get to see our other one, which I think is gonna be super duper fun. And as you know, I'm a Lego fan, so I've built plenty of Legos, and I have a whole entire bin of Legos over there that I like to just make like fun Christmas. I like to make fun, colorful things with them, but I like to get kits also. So today we're going to be working on the Death Star 11 kit, and I'm excited. So let's get started. So we just finished the TIE Fighter, and pew, 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 pew. He can move around, and then this can just like go backwards, and it's clipping onto these. So if you want, you can move it to another spot if you wanted, because if you wanted, you could clip him here like he just turned. Or you could keep him clipped here, like he's just trying to like duck and stuff like that. If you keep following along, you'll get to see the Death Star 4016 pieces, and it is round. Also, something about this set is that this will come with the Death Star set, so if you just try and get the Death Star, you'll be able to get a Poppy set, this Troll set, and you'll be able to get the extra Star Wars set. So I think that I'm going to really like doing this, and follow along to subscribe, and make sure you follow along so you can see our 4016 Death Star.